I'll be introducing a new strategy. It will make us profit like no one else. Why even better than most stock traders who trade this gold thing? Why? Because niggas think they control the market, but we're able to sniff some, go out, sniff some, go out, sniff some, go out. But overall, there's just consolidation, which is very nice because that means we're soon there'll be a crazy movement that will just be happening. And then we're going to fully take advantage of that. So you don't want to miss out the momentum that can come out of this. So that's what will be happening. But yeah, every moment, every opportunity we can get to sniff there and there because we use different accounts. But overall, everything just seems to be going well. Do you think gold is going to buy? Isn't life? Comrades, gold, it moves in you must be, I don't know, but okay, when someone says gold will buy or gold will sell, so when it consolidates, what will happen? It will probably, just play with your emotions. So you need to be experienced into this thing. You don't just say gold will buy and after that I will buy. You need to be detailed. Crazy how you tackle consolidation moves all the way, keep up bringing it up. Yes, like I've said, I'll be introducing a new strategy which will be dealing with the gold consolidation because I've noticed that when people want to leverage, they normally wait for a leveraging moment, but majority of the time, regardless of how the market moves, they barely pay attention to how it consolidates and what they must do with regards to that. So yeah, that's what will be happening moving forward. We'll just be checking whether the consolidation, it will be coming now, it will be coming later. And then Tabang Chulu, you say you blew your account. I mean, the market is consolidating. I would understand why you say you blew your account because gold, that's how gold moves. You must understand this thing so that it doesn't frustrate you, because when it consolidates like this, it is most likely to frustrate quite a number of people. I believe the market can go to forward. What do you think? It doesn't matter what I think. It doesn't matter what I think. Your gold is not for kids. Yeah, you just need to know what you're doing, Jeff. If you don't know what you're doing, it's going to be a very huge problem. I would understand when someone just say, okay, I'm trading gold now and it's that time to, do whatever they want to do. But overall, what are we looking at? Can you be able to see this? Can you be able to see this? Hold on. Are you able to see this? So if it is like this, it means, if you know how many people got chopped out here. When it went down, people thought it was selling. When it went up, some people just look at the one candlestick. When one candlestick going up, gold is buying. Another candlestick coming down, gold is selling. It's a mess, Chief. It's a mess. It's a mess. You need to be very strategic, It's a mess. Because you can see it has been moving around the same area from the 28th of November, but till now. You will see, gold is buying. Yesterday here, I say, gold is buying, gold is buying, gold is selling, it's selling, it's selling, it's selling. It's buying again, my friend. It's buying, it's buying. It's selling, it's selling, it's selling. It's buying, it's selling. Yo. Yes. Even here, the way people were just going crazy. Gold went down too much. It is buying. It has to buy. It has to buy. It has to buy. It's selling again. It's selling. It's buying. It's buying. It's buying. It's selling. It's selling. It's buying. It's buying. It's selling. Here it's buying, my friend. I told you it's a buy. It's selling. It's selling. It's selling. It's buying. It's selling. It's buying. It's selling. Buy. It's selling. When you say selling, it goes up. It's buying. It goes down again. It takes you out. It's selling. It's selling. It goes up. It's buying. It goes down and chow your money. Selling, goes up, buying, selling. My friend. Even here, it was the same situation. Gold is buying, is buying, is buying. And like, You know what's funny? Most people are not able to detect. They're not able to know. It's like they know, they want to trade this movement like it is this movement. When the market moves this way, they think they're levered. They go heavy here and act like it is here. By the thing this time ends, that's when they start becoming serious now. So that's normally what happens. So this thing, it will make you a zombie. Be very, very much careful what you wish for, because whatever that is happening, you can see it's a mess, most. You can still, I'm not saying the only way to make money is for when you're experienced and you know how to go about it, you know. But if you're definitely not experienced, you'll find yourself doing some crazy things. I'm not gonna lie, but what's nice is that when the consolidation is done, there's going to be a huge movement. But it will be happening when the market has already dealt with you. I don't know if that makes sense. So when the market has already dealt with you, that's when you can see. Most people saw this. We took advantage. We went crazy here. We were enjoying life so nice. Now when it gets here, people still want this movement. When it's late, you want to work when it's late. When it's the time, where you know it to be found. When it's late, you want to leverage. You want to just, do whatever that. So this thing is it's not an easy thing where you can say just a buy or sell type of a thing. You need to be technical about this thing. You need to be very smart of how you must structure it in a very well way, so that it doesn't give you any issues moving forward. So gold is not something to play with, comrades, né? Not something to play with. People, gold is going to buy from the middle of December up until February 2026. Ooh, nice. You sound so smart, my friend. Do it. That sounds so smart, eh? You sound so smart. What a smart human being, eh? What a small Joe. What a very smart human being. Do it, my friend. Don't tell us what will be happening. Do it. I don't want. Hey, do you Operandi, when are you make it look easy? When are you are trading them and what? Chief, come with your demo. Let's see if you are able to survive on this consolidation. Let's see how much are you making on this consolidation. Because it doesn't matter whether you deposit small account, big balance, whether demo real. Gold is gold. It will F you up all the time if you don't know what you're doing. Trade now, or if you feel like a man, if you want to feel like a man, trade now, let's see. Into someone, we definitely going up, gang. I don't understand why. You know what's one thing I've noticed? People like dictating where the market should go. People don't listen to the market. They just want to tell the market where it will go. Niggas think they control the market. Hey, it's like people like acting, It's like you're dictating. There are people who dictate what Forex should do or what the market should do. I fear some of you guys, yeah. I don't know where you got that courage or that mentality from, but I fear it because now you're telling what? That means you control. I've made up a list, comment, I've been doing some crazy research. So next year I'll be also doing Forex simultaneously doing stock market, but in a way that in the stock market I'll be focusing on gold. So with the stock market, what I'll be doing is that I'll be making research based on all the companies surrounding gold, all the biggest mining companies. Hold on. So this is the list of all the companies that are all the major companies. So you can see here the comprehensive list of gold-related public companies. Number one, we have major gold mining companies. Those are all the mining companies. We have Agrico Eagle Mines. We have gold royalties and streaming companies. And after that, we have Gold Exploration Junior. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be making a research based on all these companies. We already know how the gold moves. I already know how this thing will move forever and ever, but it's just a matter of thing that finding the right correlation to do it also simultaneously on the stock market as well. So I'll be going through all these companies, finding them who they are, how they affect the market, because if I'm able to find out the previous financial statements, the future programs, what are they planning to do, and then if I can be able to make sense of how much are they producing, have a way to track not track, but because that will sound like I'm doing insider trading type of a thing, but if I can find a way that it makes sense of how, just make a research about them. If they have a mind, if they have companies, if they have mining sites, how long do those mining sites have to will be operating, the capacity they still under, what debts do they have under the company, political things that are surrounding it, their CEOs, all those type of things, things like that. So once I analyze all these companies, it will be very much easier for us to also implement whatever that we're implementing also on the stock market. And we'll make shit ton of money from that. That's just how it is going to go, because we already know how to analyze it now. So also with regards from a geopolitical perspective, or also from an analysis perspective or sentimental analysis perspective, if I'm taking a look at these companies this way, normally when there's uncertainty or when the gold prices are not sure, the main things come from these companies. All these companies that are surrounding gold, the ones who are funding gold operations, or the mining, the finance companies or the banks that normally fund gold operations. So just a clear overview. So I got a list of all of them that are publicly traded, that affect gold in real life, that affect the price of gold 24/7, 365 days a year type of a thing. So I'm working on something very, very nice. It will be very much interesting. It will be but I know that after I wrap it around my head, it will be something that it will be very, very prolific, because we'll be now knowing the details, and we can also implement this thing on the stock market. And one thing that you must know, guys, when you trade gold, it's like there's a lot of benefits from this. You can literally go and buy physical gold while the price is at what you're estimating that this price will go up. And after you estimate and the market and the price go up, you go and sell that exact same gold. You're going to sell it and be able to make profit in between. So that's just the advantages of gold. So we'll be doing it from the perspective like that, from the mining companies, which also involved in the mining of gold in some areas around Africa. So it's just something that is fascinating, and that it will be a very interesting journey, I would say. A very, very interesting journey. That's a great idea. Yes, we're already working on it now, but we already know how to trade gold. We are very much experienced now from a technical perspective, because we're even better than most stock traders who trade this gold thing. Why? Because we understand it before them. They can understand, or some institutional traders understand they can do that in that way, but for us, I feel like it is very much prolific, way more than them. Why? Because our leveraging in the Forex market, it is quite high, so we can be able to yield more within the shorter space of time. So it is something that can make things easier for us, Why do you recommend high risk trading? For one reason, because by the time you join the Forex market, you already know that you're going to be losing for a couple of years, and that money that you've lost, by the time you're going to be starting to make money. How will you be able to recover the overall and be able to start profiting? For some people it takes forever, for some people it takes a very long time. So high leveraging makes it easier for you to achieve those within the shorter space of time. You can ask questions. I want questions. Let's deal with questions. Someone is saying M1 structure on gold, is it dropping? I don't know, comrade. I don't know how you trade. So when you are trying to make me, say yes or no to an analysis that I don't know on how it is done, you are self-distracted, must comrade. These 2 days are slow. Some of the things, comrade. When you say these 2 days are slow, can't you see there's a consolidation happening? There's something big that will be happening. Just a matter of whenever it will happen, will you take advantage? So, but yeah, let's get back to it and just say.